Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Cooking a point-cut corned beef brisket is simpler than you might imagine, and it promises incredibly tender, flavorful results every time. This specific cut, known for its generous marbling, becomes wonderfully succulent when cooked slowly and gently. It's absolutely perfect for shredding into sandwiches or slicing thinly for a classic dinner. Get ready to enjoy a truly comforting and satisfying meal very soon. First things first, you'll want to give your brisket a good rinse under cold, running water. This helps remove excess salt from the curing process, ensuring a balanced flavor. Next, transfer it to a large pot or your trusty slow cooker. Then, sprinkle over the included pickling spices and pour in enough liquid like water or broth to completely cover the meat. This sets the stage for tender perfection. Now for the magic part, slow cooking. If you're using a slow cooker, set it to low and let it cook for about 6 to 8 hours or until the meat is incredibly tender. For oven cooking, a Dutch oven works perfectly. Set your oven to 300 degrees Fahrenheit and cook for 3 to 4 hours. Remember, low and slow is the secret to a perfectly fork-tender brisket. Once your brisket is cooked, resist the urge to slice into it immediately. Letting it rest for about 10 to 15 minutes, tented loosely with foil, is crucial. This resting period allows the juices to redistribute throughout the meat, keeping it wonderfully moist and flavorful. When you're ready to slice, always cut against the grain. This simple step ensures every bite is incredibly tender and easy to enjoy. Now for the best part, enjoying your delicious corned beef. Classically, it pairs wonderfully with boiled cabbage, carrots, and potatoes, creating a hearty, satisfying meal. But don't stop there. Leftover corned beef makes incredible Reuben sandwiches or a savory breakfast hash. A dollop of grainy mustard or a touch of horseradish on the side really complements the rich flavors, making your meal even more delightful.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.